Well, I've just finished doing the rust repair on my last long window at the back, so all the others have been done, and I've been focusing on this one for the last several days. Basically I had some really bad rust in here, in this section, and I had the same in the section at the other end. So quite badly rusted through, lots of holes, and so I basically I welded in a piece of metal from about here, I think, all the way up and through here. Just a flat piece, just on that piece there. I've welded that in, and I've actually done the same at the other end. And I started that one about here, and I've gone all the way up to about there. And so I put those two pieces in. I did actually have some other small pieces of rust in here, and I've actually decided to leave them, because actually when I cut these plates out, the rust underneath actually wasn't that bad. There was rust, but it wasn't like a really nasty thick rust like I've had in other places. So I've decided just to seal it up. So I hope that's going to be okay, but I think it will. And so I've done that. I've ground them all down. I've made it nice and smooth, probably my best weld so far on this window. And so I've just put some filler onto the rough bits, and just to fill all the holes. I'll sand that down tomorrow and paint it up, and hopefully it'll be nice and smooth. And there we are, that's the rust repair of the final long window. We're getting there.